Guys, welcome to Homer's Airsoft today. I'm bringing you an Airsoft Mega Store unboxing. I just ordered a new gun in the mail the other day. It's finally here, so I figured I'd do my first unboxing video for you guys. So let's get to it. Cut this bad boy open. Get the green stuff out of the way. Here we go. The yellow order form. Just got two items here. Here we go. The home of the legendary Uzi. Got a mini Uzi. So you guys can see it here. Wow, look at that. CO2 powered. Let's take a look at this. Ooh, it's heavy, nice metal. Wow. Extendable stock and everything on this. This thing's cool. Here's the magazine. CO2 powered. But yeah. Goes right up in there. Just release that. And then the other thing I got in the box is just an extra magazine for it. Yeah, that's all I got was a mini Uzi. Can't wait to get some videos using this sweet thing. Yeah, the Uzi pistol. 6mm BBs. This thing's actually made in Taiwan. Yeah. But this thing looks cool. Yeah, thanks guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Tell me if you want more unboxing videos, because I'm probably going to order some more guns in the future. But, yeah, this thing's going to be cool to play with. So, stay tuned to the channel, and I'll probably have some footage of this thing being used pretty soon. Thanks guys. Have a good day.